This will be a speed test between the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, the iPhone 13 Pro Max has the A15 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 15. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has the Snapdragon 888 with a nice and hefty 12 gigs of RAM on Android 11 on its latest version of One UI 3. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one will have the faster boot up, and let's go. iPhone 13 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. What will happen right meow? Which phone will have the faster boot up? Oh, as you can see, the iPhone here on the right. Ooh, boot up a little bit faster, but the Z Fold 3 right behind it, making the Samsung noises, which is good, with that pretty cool animation right there. Love it, man. And we are in. All right, man, no more messing around. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the Z Fold 3. As you can see, no recently used apps. I'm gonna do this on the 13 Pro Max, and there's nothing in the background, so you can see it's just doing that. All apps, caches, their browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, I think that was a draw, but you guys are the judges. Messages. Oh, so close, I think that was another draw. The camera, I'm gonna pick up both phones. Now it might be a little bit of a challenge here on the Z Fold. Pretty big, phone, right? Go. Ooh, a little bit faster on the iPhone, but the Z Fold 3 not far behind. Let's fire up the clock on both phones. Very close. Let's go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Ooh, very close. App Store, Play Store. Ooh, very close. I think the Z Fold 3 was ahead initially, but the iPhone caught up at the very end. So let's see, I'm just gonna pick 2 random apps here. Just gonna do that and leave it on that page. Amazon. Ooh, I think that was faster on the Z Fold. Let's go ahead and click on, let's see. What can I click on? Looking for the same item here. Both giving me different stuff. Let's just go ahead and click on this thing right here. Looks pretty cool. Click on this one. A little bit faster on the right. Oh, well, I don't know. iPhone's catching up right at the very end there. You guys are the judges. eBay. A little bit faster on the right. Let's go ahead and click on, let's see. Let's click on this one. Check that out. We'll go ahead, click one more time. Leave it on that page. Super Mario Run. Both phones are buttery smooth, by the way, with a fast 120 display now. Here on the iPhone as well. It's good to see. Ooh, okay. Man, I gotta say, this display though on the Z Fold. I mean, look at that. What an enjoyable experience. Here on the Z Fold. Here we go, we got the Temple Run 2, both are loading right now. Let's see which one is a little bit quicker. Ooh, very close. 13 Pro Max a little bit faster, but not a big difference. Let's see, we'll go ahead and do this. Subway Surf. Let's see, ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, 13 Pro a little bit faster, but the Z Fold 3 right on its heels. Tap to play. Leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Let's see here, starting up logging in on both phones. Let's see, oh, Z Fold 3 out in front. And we'll give the win to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 on this one. So you can see. Okay, a little bit confused here. Oh yeah, this one, CSR Racing 2. Yeah, that threw me off a little bit, the little orientation there on the Z Fold. Yeah, this Mustang's pretty cool. Pretty cool video. This car versus the Tesla Model S Plaid. It's a pretty cool video. And then we do have Modern Combat 5. we'll check this one out. Let's see. Oh, okay, a little bit faster here on the iPhone.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber attack on
Extracting files here on the Z Fold 3. Okay, so you can take this one with a grain of salt. Some extra stuff here on the right. So, as you can see, overall, it's a pretty fast phone. You're right into the game. So, not really a big difference there. Just to give you a general idea of the speed of the device. Pretty cool. PUBG. 10-cent games here. Crafton. All right, what will happen right here? I think the iPhone is a little bit ahead. Let's see, loading already. Oh, super fast on the left here. So we'll wait for the Z Fold 3 here. No, not that much longer, as you can see. So it's not too bad, not too far behind, you know. Still a pretty speedy phone. And then we do have Twitter. Ooh, a little bit faster here on the Fold. IG. Fold again. Snapchat. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. And we do have the browsers on both. Safari and Chrome. Whoops, mistouch. That was my bad. Okay, anyway, let's do a search for, I don't know. Let's see, what's in my mind right now? This one, Black Widow. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this film. And then let's see here. Let's see, I'm gonna click on ScarJo real quick. Click on ScarJo again. Check her out. Okay, let's see, let's click on something else. Let's click on this one. Nice and fast on both phones, so you can see. All right, let's click on Manhattan. Nice and speedy. Let's see, we'll click on this one. So you can see nice and fast on both phones. I think the iPhone tiny bit quicker, but when you're talking less than a second there. I mean, the scrolling is nice and smooth on both phones, and especially on the iPhone where it's now a fast display, the 120. So glad to see Apple did that. Increases the user experience on the iPhone, but then again here on the Z Fold 3 with this massive display and the 120 Hertz, I mean, consuming content on this device is just, it's amazing. An amazing experience indeed. All right, so let's go ahead and just go through the RAM management here. See what happens. So you can see everything's in the background. We'll go ahead and start with the Snapchat here. No issues. And then Instagram, good to go, nice and fast. Twitter, good to go. PUBG, whoops. Okay, same place on both phones. So no issues with that. Let's see the Mortal Kombat here. No reloads, is just reconnecting to the server. So that's not a reload, if you know what I mean. And then we do have CSR2. Same place on both phones. Click OK, and you can continue. Very nice. Angry Birds 2. Good to go on both phones. Sweet, and then we do have this one. Resume. No issues on either phone. Temple Run 2. Continue on both phones. So you can see, man, that display on the Z Fold, look at that. Just compare that real quick. Woo! So nice. Just playing games, consuming media here on the Z Fold is just flat out, just amazing. eBay, take a look at that, no reloads yet. Amazon, ooh, a little bit of a stutter there on the right, but nothing too crazy. Let's see here, we do have the Play Store, App Store, good to go. Calculator, good to go. Clock, still running in the background, although I've never seen this reload ever, so take that for what it is. And we do have the camera. Let's see which one is faster here on the reload. Okay, you guys are the judges. Messages, nice and fast. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking your iPhone 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 13 Pro, or the regular iPhone 13? Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone's camera. Did you upgrade from an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 11, iPhone 10? Are you gonna upgrade to the iPhone 13 or just stick with what you have? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your badass Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3? What do you think of this phone so far? Do you think this phone should have an S Pen included and that you can stow in the frame of this phone? Are you excited for the upcoming and rumored Samsung Galaxy S22? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.